Step 2. Installing your Trustee hosted privacy policy. The Trustee hosted privacy policy must be one click away from your homepage and any pages collecting consumer data. To install your Trustee hosted privacy policy, copy the policy code into your site's source code using an HTML code editor. If you created your site using a site builder service and you're uncertain how to edit your HTML source code, consult the service you use to build your website. Otherwise, open the HTML source files from your website's homepage and any other pages collecting consumer data. If your site already has an existing privacy policy, you must replace it with your new Trustee hosted policy. Replace your site's existing policy link by pasting the Trustee privacy policy code into your website source code. If your site does not already have a privacy policy, just paste the Trustee code snippet into your site's footer. To see your changes, first save your file. Then you'll have to publish it to your server for the changes to become public. The terminology for this function varies across applications, but usually goes by some variation of the term publish. To verify that you have correctly installed your new policy, open your website in a web browser and refresh the content. To verify you have correctly installed your new policy, open your site in a web browser and refresh the content. The privacy policy link should open your Trustee hosted policy in a new window. If this happens, you are ready to submit your website to Trustee for verification. If you'd prefer to install the Trustee hosted privacy policy as an iframe, select the link using an iframe to display your policy. To install the policy as an iframe, open the HTML source files and copy the iframe code snippet into your website's source code using an HTML code editor. You can control the size of your iframe by altering the width, height, and border attributes of the iframe. To see your changes, first save your file, then you'll have to publish it to your server for the changes to become public. Once completed, open your website in a new window and refresh the content. If you're not satisfied with how the iframe is displayed, you may go back and alter the width, height, and border attributes until they are suitable for the web page. Your Trustee seal code can be installed following the same steps as the privacy policy.